Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into how do we do a site recovery with Azure Backup. Let's get started. So once you open the vault that we created, and then you would see a site recovery tab, or you can just enable the site recovery when you click on that. There are a few options that you could use the site recovery. The one is Azure Virtual Machines. Directly when you're running virtual machines on Azure, you could directly backup and then restore them. And then the second one is VMware machines to Azure. So whatever you're running on your local VMware, that could be directly backed up into the Azure. The third option which we are interested is Hyper-V's machines to Azure. So basically when you're running a local machine on Hyper-V and you want that to be backed up. So once you click on prepare infrastructure, it's going to give you a few options. Have you done the planning? Because the network bandwidth will be a problem when you're pushing in virtual machines, which are huge in size. So you could say, yes, I've done it. So are you using a system center VM? In our case, no. So the next thing you need to do is a Hyper-V site that you need to create, which I've just created a blank Hyper-V site. And it's already complaining no servers found, and then it needs to be added. So click on the add Hyper-V. Once you install the Microsoft Azure Site Recovery Agent, the next thing you would use your vault credentials. Once you configure that, it's similar to what we did last time with the Mars agent for a file recovery backup. It's similar to that. Once you configure, then it will be able to back up your Hyper-V machines directly from local to Azure. Sorry, I didn't give you a full demo because it's going to take a lot of time, like you said, like 15 to 30 minutes, and I didn't want to do that. I just walked through the process of how to do it. Hope this is helpful. See you next week with another topic. Thank you for watching. Thanks again.